Hey, what's up? Today we will see some pedals, most of the common pedals that we use today on our bikes, because I noticed that if you are beginner in cycling and you just want to go from flat normal pedals from automatic SPD or road pedals, you don't know what to buy and also what shoes to have and what type of cleats you need. So today I have some of the pedals that you can find now on the market. However, I don't have them all, but most of them they follow the same pattern. I will show you Shimano pedals, road pedals, Look KO road pedals, and also the mountain bike SPD pedals and some pedals and cleats. Yeah, so let's start the process here. I will put the camera so you can see what I'm talking about here. Yeah, so I have here the Look KO pedals. I have Shimano Alterra road pedals and cleats for each one of them. Now the Look KO pedal, most of the pedals now they have this this type of system here, and also the cleats they are similar or almost the same. However, you can find them in this color, red and black. For the black cleat you have zero float. What it means float? It means that when the cleat is clipped here on the pedal, you have no movement left and right, so your shoe and also your foot will be fixed. The black one has zero float. This one has around 3.5 or no 6.5 degrees, and the red one has 9 degrees float. The shoe that matches this type of cleat is this one here with 3 holes for the cleat. Now you can find also on the market shoes that they have 2 sets of holes. You have them for the SPD mountain bike and also road, but this one is only for the road pedals. I think I have one shoe here that I can clip on so you can see. Yes, I have this shoe that has mounted the Look cleat on, and I will try to clip it in so you guys can see the float. So this one has 6 degrees, 6.5 degrees float. The clipping in is quite easy. You will get used to it once you clip in and out for a few dozen times. So you just put the front tip in, and here you just need to press it in, and now the pedal is clipped in. The float is this one, this movement left and right. This is 6 degrees. It will feel bigger when you have the shoe and your foot here on the shoe, and the pedal will be on the bike itself. Now it looks like it's nothing, but if you have the shoe clipped in, it will feel like it's a little bit it's a bigger movement than what I'm doing now with my hand. So to clip out is very easy. You just rotate your foot outward and the pedal unclips. Easy as that. Okay, let's talk a little bit about of course you will have most of them they have this adjustment knob here. You can adjust the how fast or how easy the shoe can get out or go in. And that's about it with Look. Most of them they follow now this type of cleats. So you have the Kyo, the Blade 2, the carbon ones. Doesn't matter. It's the same cleat. Okay, let's talk about Shimano. Now Shimano, the cleats, they are a little bit different, and also you can see the surface here is a little bit bigger, and the pedal I think it's wider than the look. The cleats, they are these ones for the Shimano pedals. Now they all look the same. Notice the color here. This is the yellow one. You have also the yellow, red and blue. The yellow one has around 3.5 no 6 degree float. The blue one has 3.5 and the black one is 0, 3.5 or 3. I don't want to get it wrong. So the black one, if it's completely sorry, not the black, the red one, so it has this these parts here, they are red. So the red one has 0 movement, the yellow one has 3 or 3.5 degree, and the blue one has 6 degree float. I don't have the shoe here with this thing mounted in, but the principle is the same. You just put the front side in and you press until it clips. I don't want to hurt myself here, but I will try to clip it in. Oh, come on. Yeah, it's more difficult than I thought. So with the shoe it's easier. Now you have this adjustment screw here, and you can adjust the spring intensity. So have minus and plus. It's very easy. You can see here it goes, this knob here is going up and down. So now I'll make it tighter. I will make it loose now. The minus one, I'll make it loose as I can. See if I can get the cleat on. Now it's loose. I can move it with my hand. I'll put the cleat on, press it in. Yeah, that's it. I will not take it off because I think it's gonna be so we have this float here. Yeah, I mean on the Shimano pedal you have a bigger surface here with the cleat and the pedal itself. It's quite good. Depends what you will use for the first time, and you will get used to that type of pedal. Okay, now let's show you guys some mountain bike. This here you have the one sided, the flat, and the other side is with the SVD mountain bike pedal. Now there are pedals like this with both sides the same, so it doesn't matter where you will rotate your pedal, your shoe will clip in. That type of pedal is when you get more experienced in with this automatic cleats. The SVD cleat that comes here, I will show you now, is this one. This type of cleats, they come also in few models and types and how you want them to come out or clip in, but they all look the same like this. The clipping in is it should be easier than on a road bike. However, you can see the surface here is smaller, so if you don't have this flat adapter here, this flat pedal on the other side, it will be not so easy for you to find to see the pedal. You just need to feel it. So it's the same like on a road bike. Just clip the first tip. The tip needs to go in first, then you just press it, and that's it. The pedal is on. Here on this mountain bike cleats, it's easier to take out the shoe. The multi-release ones, you can take it out left, tilt left, and also you can take it off on the right. And if you want to just take them out like this, it will come out. Depends also on the intensity of the springs here, so you need to adjust it from this bolt. Now, why it's recommended to have mountain bike pedals for mountain bikes and road pedals for road bikes? Because this shoe, the mountain bike shoes, they are made also to walk and to climb on the mountain. Let's say if you go off the bike and you want to do some push bike, you can actually walk with these ones on rocks and everything like that. And they have these pins here so you can have more grip. But there are some mountain bike shoes with this grips here. They are positioned in different ways. So on this type of shoe, I can have a bigger surface that touches the pedal. So I will have this sides and also with the cleat. Being so, it doesn't allow me to do any tilt, only left and right, that's it. Because on the mountain bike pedals, the SPD ones, and also it depends on what shoes you have, it will allow you to have the tilt not only left and right, it will allow you to have the tilt like this. So left and right, and you will have this tilt here, because you need to have more freedom on the shoe itself. On the mountain bike, you saw the terrain is different. You need to climb, you need to go off, you need to climb and clip in and things like that. And also the pedals, they are more sturdy and metal, because you can you will fall on the rocks and things like that, and they need to be solid. On a road bike, they will make it lighter, but here with this type of pedals, I saw it will happen if you crash with the bike, and sometimes you can break the pedal. It just snaps in half and breaks this plastic or carbon, depends what material they are made of. They are light, however, and they will you will develop a more correct way of pedaling with this road bike pedals, because you will not have that tilt. You will have only left and right, so that will perform very good on the road. That's about it. This will be the most common pedals you can find now on the market. There are a lot of products there, different brands, but they will all follow similar patterns. You have the look pattern like this, and you will find it on different type of pedals. You will find it on X-Star pedals, you will find it on BBB pedals, and all of the manufacturer VP components also, they make pedals. You will find it for and you will, if you search on the description, you will see that they will say look pattern or look compatible with cleats and everything like that. On the Shimano pedals, you can find also this type. There are a lot of products there on the market. You can find it different weights and styles, but they will all have almost the same cleat. Exception, they will make the look. Look have also, they have mountain bike pedal, but the cleats, they are not the same with Shimano, so you need to have look mountain bike cleats compatible. But they will all have these two bolts here. They will not be you will not need a different shoe for that. I'll try to take this cleat out. Yeah, these are the cleats and pedals. But my advice, if is if you have if you are a beginner in cycling and you just want some automatic new pedals, SVD or road, or doesn't matter, you better stop by a local bike shop, because they will know what type of pedals you need and also what type of shoes you need, and they will give you more information regarding that subject. That was all for today, and maybe next time I will explain to you how to set them up according to your shoe, and also how to make small adjustments in order to pedal faster and also to have a more comfortable ride.